So we started the day, we just gave a brief intro of who we were and what we do. And we talked about posture and walking.
Yes, so posture, we put our heels together, we zipped up from our ankles to the tops of our thighs, we put most of our weight over the balls of our feet so we can easily lift our heels. Shoulders went over our hips, went over our toes, and we had a nice open chest so that we're not like pushing forward and our heads stayed up. Then we walked.
Yeah, we faced the correct direction of the rhonda. We took our normal walking steps and we tangofied them by adding extension, where I make sure my leg precedes my step before I transfer weight. I added connection with the floor, making sure that I slide the balls of my feet along the floor. And I added passing through my axis, where I brush my knees and thighs every time my feet pass. Flip around.
And we did the same exact thing going backwards. I'm not going to say all the things, but for the fact that extension behind us is much more important in back crossing steps, because as a follow, this allows me to get my foot out of the way of my loose foot and not be stepped upon.
Cool. We partnered up. We got this hold. We got really used to this. Made sure we were parallel with one another. We did these walks in Rwanda, and then we added open steps. So in addition to our forward and back, now we have side-to-side steps. We also started this off with some nice just in-place steps. This is a really good way to start it in, so get on the same side of the foot. Then we added in cadencia, rock, step together, and we talked a little bit about tango music.
Oh yeah, that's right. Then we danced together. Tango music is in 4/4 time. The emphasis is on the 1 and 3 beats, and we usually don't step on the 2 and the 4 unless it's intentional. That's basically it.
Yeah. Then with that cadencia in mind, we added our 4 ochos. Rock, step, around, and around. I differentiated between a regular cadencia and a forward ocho by making sure I pivot my chest, I rotate my chest. So Gina knows to dance around me rather than stopping in front of me.
And follows, we made sure to match and keep our chest parallel with our least chest, and keep our hips pointing in the direction that we want to actually go. And then we pivoted from our hips as well, keeping our chest open.
So for the first part of this, we were planted at leads, but we added in nice side-to-side steps, so we still with our partner a little bit, still leading this to a rotational step. Gina dances around. Then we got our quick and dirty way to switch over to back ochos, which is just reverse direction. Still stepping with our partner, maybe even stepping a little bit diagonally forward.
Create some more shallow back ochos, easier on your follow path.
Rather than, these are really hard.
I wasn't ready for that yet.
Cool. Then we went ahead and we threw in a gancho. So similarly to how we set up the back ochos, we took forward ocho, we're going to stop our follow, we lead with our chest, slide this leg and situate it so that we can get this nice gancho. The gancho just happens when I rotate my follow this way. It's a consequence of that rotation. So, boom. For those of you who feel like experimenting, try with other legs. You do this leg, kind of on the sides. You know, this one's less comfortable, but it works. Whatever you want to do. Cool. That was our lesson. Thank you guys for coming out.